Okay, guys, so this is the lecture number 6 of engineering mathematics. So today we will continue with the number system problems. Okay, we will complete number systems in this lecture. Okay, we will complete it. We will not extend it anymore. So today is the concluding day of number system. Okay, so are you guys enjoying? I hope you guys are enjoying, because number system is very interesting. Okay, number system. Okay, so the first question today is, if a plus root b is equal to c plus root d, where a b c d where a b c d are rational, where a b c d are rational, then a is equal to c, then a is equal to c, b is equal to d, b is equal to d, a is equal to c, b is equal to d, unless b d are squares of rational, unless b d are squares of, unless b d are squares of rational. Okay, so first we have to do what? Okay, our 3 steps of solving problem. First, okay, suppose here the solution part. So 3 steps, our 3 steps of solving problem. 3 steps. 3 steps. First, understand question. Understand question. Okay, understand. We have to first understand the question. Then we will do what? We have to understand solution line by line. We have to first understand the question, then we have to understand the solution line by line. So, okay, and the third step, practice. No, not practice. Okay. The last step is thinking. Okay. Last step is thinking. I hope you guys are seeing. Okay. The 3 steps of solving problems. First, understand the question. Second, we have to understand the solution. We have to understand the solution line by line. And the third step is thinking. Okay. So these are the 3 steps of solving problems in our YouTube channel or in our classes. Okay. So let's first understand the question. Okay. First, here tell. Okay. I am erasing this. I hope you guys understood. Okay. So, okay, you have to note it down with me. Note it down this question first. Then we will solve. Okay. Note it down this question. Pause the video. Note it down. Okay. Done. Okay. if a plus root b is equal to c plus root d, where a, b, c, d are rational, then a is equal to c, b is equal to d, unless b, d are squares of rational. Okay. This is also an three-link question. Okay. So now we have to understand a plus root b is equal to c plus root d, where a, b, c, d are rational. Where a, b, c, d are rational. Okay. A, b, c, d are rational means what? Rational means, suppose a is equal to p by q. Okay. Rational means what? A is equal to p by q. B is equal to also p by q. No, not p by q. Suppose uh, what? W by t. Okay. C is equal to f by q, and d is equal to x by y. Okay. So these are rational, means the those which are which can be ratioed. Okay. Those which can be ratioed. So that those are rational shapes. So we are done with this part. Okay. From this part to this part we are done. Okay. Now from this part, then a is equal to c. They are saying that a is equal to c and b is equal to d, unless b, d are squares of rational. Okay. They are saying that a is equal to c, means this one is equal to c and this one is equal to d. This one is equal to d. Okay. So unless b and d are squares of rational, unless b and d are squares of rational. What is the meaning of this? Squares of rational means what? Squares of rational, no? No. Here squares of rational. Okay, unless b and d guys, how to solve this? Okay, here they're saying a plus root b, and c plus root d. Okay, a plus root b and c plus root d. That means b is root of b has root and d has also root. Okay, after squaring root b and after also squaring the root d also, we have b and d. We have b and d. How to do this here? No, I have to. Okay, so we have to move to the solution part, then we can understand what they're actually trying to say. Unless b and d, unless b, d are squares of rational. Squares of rational means what? Squares of rational means okay. I think I got it. Suppose, okay, I'm erasing this. Okay, I'm erasing this. Suppose I'm erasing the whole one. I hope you guys noted it. Noted. Okay. Noted. Pause the video and note it down. Okay. Okay. Here, suppose b is equal to w by t. Okay, b is equal to w by t and d is equal to x by y. So suppose it is root b here. Okay, and this is w by t, and this is also root d here. So after squaring both sides, this root b whole square is equal to w square by t square. Okay, here root t whole square is equal to x by x square by y square. I hope you guys done. I hope you guys understood. But I don't know is this correct or wrong. Okay, I don't know, but I'm just trying. I'm just trying to solve this. I'm just trying to understand the question. Okay, so that I can so that I can understand the solution also. Okay, here root b whole square means b is equal to w square by t square, and d is equal to x square by y square. Okay, I hope you guys done. So this can be one thing. Okay, this can be one thing. Okay, so let's now move to the solution part, actual solution part. Okay, okay. The solution is, suppose, okay, we will understand the solution line by line. A not equals to c. Let a is equal to c plus x. Okay, then c plus x plus root b is equal to c plus root d. It's a plus root b, c plus x plus root b, c plus root d. Okay, okay. So now we have to understand what they're trying to say. Suppose a not equals to c. Okay, understood. A is not equals to c. Let a is equal to c plus x. Okay, a is equal to a not equals to c. If a is not equals to c, then we have to take a is equal to c plus something, so that it can be equal with a. Okay, a is not equal to c. Okay, so we have to, they're adding something like x. It can be y, anything. It can be y, anything, any integer. Okay, so they're adding x so that it can be equal with a. Okay, and then a plus root b is equal to c plus x plus root b. Here the question is, suppose yeah, this is correct. Yeah, okay, a is not equals to c. Okay, here the question was a plus root b is equal to c plus root t. Okay, so here they're saying that a is not equals to c. Then they're taking that a is equal to c plus x. A is equal to c plus x. Then a plus root b is equal to c plus x plus root b. Then is equal to c plus root t. C plus root t. Okay. So c plus root t. Okay. Suppose. Okay. Yeah. Got it. Okay, got it. One second. Got it. Okay. So they're breaking down this. Okay. Suppose they're breaking down this. A plus root b, c plus x plus root t. Okay, a is equal to c plus x. A is equal to c plus x. A is equal to c plus x plus root b. Then plus root d. How this is coming? Oh, okay. Yeah. This one. This one is equal to this. Okay. I hope you guys understood. A plus root b is equal to c plus root d. Okay. A plus root b is equal to c plus root d. So here a plus root b is equal to a is equal to c plus x. A is equal to c plus x, and then we are putting the c plus x plus root b, and then is equal to c plus root d, and then is equal to c plus root d. This one, c plus root d. Okay. So okay, I think we are done. Is equal to c plus root d. Okay. So that means this one is okay. So now a plus root b is equal to means what? C plus x plus root b is equal to c plus root d, which is okay. Here we have to say that this one, like a plus root b is c plus x plus root b. Okay, a plus root b is equal to c plus x plus root b. So this one is here. Okay, now okay, I hope you all understood with this part. Now we are removing. Now we are using. Okay. Okay. Now we are moving to next line. Next line they are saying so x plus root b is equal to root d. X plus root b is equal to root b. Squaring we get squaring we get d minus x square minus b is equal to 2x root b. Okay, this implies that root b is rational. This implies root b is rational. Okay, root b is rational. Now here's the question: x plus root b is equal to root d. Okay, square rooting we get. Okay, squaring we get d minus x square minus b is equal to 2x root b. Okay, so now we are square. Okay, suppose this one is value. Now we will square this x plus root b. Okay, suppose we are squaring this one and this one. Okay, so x square plus b is equal to d. Then d minus x square minus b is equal to 2x root d. So the question is how this 2x into root b is coming. Okay, so here they are also saying that root b is rational. Okay, root b is rational, and now they are multiplying with this 2x. No, this we have to solve. Suppose here x square minus d, x square minus d, and it becomes minus b. Okay, now this minus and this minus is crossing out. No, I don't think so. This one is correct. Okay, I don't think so. This one is correct. We have to think more. Squaring, they are squaring the both sides. Okay, they are squaring this side and this one. And after that, this value is coming. And also the root b is rational. Okay, what are rationals? Those values which can be ratioed are rational. Okay, of course root b is rational. Okay. Is this 2x or 2 multiplies? No, this is 2x, but what's coming? We have to think, guys. Okay. See. Okay, here suppose how this 2x root into root b is coming. So guys, any clue? Any guys who can give me some hints? Okay, so I think this is a critical one. Okay, how this? Okay, let me think. Take 2 minutes. Okay, let me think. Okay guys, I think this is the formula. Okay, so this is the formula. Suppose d, suppose this we are square rooting the both sides. Okay, x plus root b whole square is equal to root d whole square. Okay, done. Now x square plus b is equal to d. X square plus b is equal to d. And when this b comes this side, suppose x square plus b minus, am I correct? Yeah, minus d. Or it can come also here. Suppose dx square d minus x square. This will also become this x square plus b. Okay, this will also become minus x square minus b, and this become 2x into root b. 2x into root b. This implies root b is rational. This implies root b is rational. Okay, this implies root. So this is, I think, formula. This is, I think, formula. This is, I think, formula which is saying that 2x into root b. Okay, so 2x into root b is it's a formula. Okay, guys. So here x square minus b 2x into root b. Okay, this becomes like, how to solve this? And okay, this becomes 2x into root b. Okay, so after, okay, they are also saying that this implies that root b is also rational. Okay, this implies root b is rational. This implies root b is rational. Okay, so hence root d is also rational. They are also saying root d is, hence root d is also rational. Hence they are saying, hence root d is also rational. Okay, root d is also rational. Root d is also rational. Thus b and d are squares of rational, hence the result. Okay, we have to, if the question here, the question here is if a plus root b is equal to c plus root d, where a, b, c, d are rational, then a is equal to c, b is equal to d, unless b, d are squares of rational. Okay, a is equal to c and b is equal to d. A is equal to c and b is equal to d, unless b and d are squares of rational. I hope you all understood. We have done it. We have done it in previous. Okay. So here we have the task to show that the b and d are squares. Okay, b and d are squares of rational. Suppose hence root d is also rational. Hence root d is also rational. Thus b and d are squares of rational. Thus b and d are squares of b and d are squares of rational. Okay, b and d are squares of rational. Hence the result. Hence the result. Okay. So here they are trying to say d root d is also rational. How this root d is also? Okay, yeah, I got it. So this one is also squaring and this one is also squaring. Okay, this one is also squaring. So here we are saying this, unless b and d. Okay. Suppose suppose 2x into root b, 2x into root b, okay? 2x into root b means 2x into root b means I'm inverting this. Suppose 2x into root b, 2x into root b means 2x into root b means 2x into root b means root b is equal to d minus x square minus b upon 2x. Okay, root b is equal to d minus x square minus b upon 2x. So this is the value of b, root b. That means it is we are ratioing this one. We are ratioing the root b. So that means that root b is rational. Okay, we are ratioing the root b. That means the root b is rational. Okay, so now this implies that root b is rational. Okay, this one is absolutely correct. I hope you all understood. Now the next line we are moving. In the next line we are moving that we have to prove that root t is also rational. We have to prove that root t is also rational. How? Let's erase this. Okay. Root t is also rational. How? That's we have to solve. Okay. That's we have to solve, or that's we have to understand. Okay. Hence root t is rational. How this hence root t is rational? I don't know how this can be rational. Hence root t is rational. Hence root t is also rational. Thus P and D B and D are squares of this B and D are squares of rational. Hence the result. Hence the result. Okay? Hence the result. Now root t is rational. They are saying root is also what? Rational. B and D are squares of rational, hence the result. Okay? Yeah, we have already understood that B is rational. Okay, B is root B is rational because they are squaring, and also root D is squaring. Okay, what if, suppose what if we square the root D? Suppose we square root D, okay? We are taking this value. I don't know this is correct or wrong. I don't know. Okay, just I am trying. If anything wrong, then please let me know. Okay, I will correct it I will correct it. I will definitely correct it. Okay. I will. So now a plus root b is equal to c plus root d. Okay. A plus root b is equal to c plus root d. So now the question is a, we are squaring both sides. Suppose one second. Give me 1 second. suppose okay, suppose x plus root b is equal to root d. Yeah, this formula will do. Okay, this formula will do. Suppose what if we squared, okay, from this formula we have found out that root b can be rational. From this formula we found out that root b can be rational. Okay, suppose x squared minus plus b plus t. Okay, now what if we x squared plus b minus d is equal to, I think this is not working. No, suppose d minus x square minus b is 2x root d. Then root d now can be rational. I hope this is not connected. I have totally understood how the root b is rational, but I don't know how they are taking this root d rational. Okay, how they are proving that this root d can be rational. So this one is one logic that I made. I don't know this is correct or wrong, but I just made it. Okay, so this is how the root d can be rational. Okay, that means they're both squaring, like root b squaring, root d squaring. Okay, so this one is correct. Okay, acha, suppose if root b is, how stupid I am. Yeah, here they're saying, oh yeah, how stupid I am. Here they're saying that b is equals to d. Okay, b is equals to d. So this is how, if b is rational, then d is also rational. Okay, because we have proved that b is rational, so in that matter the d needs to be rational. Okay, because b is equals to d. If b is rational, then d is also rational. If that doesn't, then b wasn't equals to d. Okay, so there is some condition. If b is rational, then the d then d have to become rational. Then only they can be equal. Okay, so b is rational, then d is also rational. So this is how we have done our solution. Okay, I hope you guys liked it. Okay, our continuation lecture will be uploaded soon. Okay, bye bye, thank you.